Delightful, pure indulgence, I have to say, from my point of view. Bagpuss right up there with the Clangers and Mr. Ben, so many more. And as if by magic, Shefali appeared.
Thank you. I so agree with you.
So many memories there.
I know, one of the best things about my childhood. Emily wasn't the only person who loved Bagpuss, no. Well, lovely day today. We had a ridge of high pressure presiding, so we had plenty of sunshine and plenty of dry weather as well. As we can see from our Weather Watchers pictures, it really was glorious, and it sent temperatures racing up to 14 Celsius in the south of the region. So that was our highest value. The average is around 10 Celsius, and so you can see it's quite mild for the time of year. In fact, we'll see in a moment the sorts of values that we've had across the region today. 14 Celsius at Coleshill in Warwickshire, and elsewhere 13s, 12s. Quite a nice little clutch of values there, and those values will continue through the rest of the week. It is going to be quite mild, as I said yesterday. That is going to be the theme for much of the week until we get to the weekend, when temperatures start to dip slightly. But this is currently what we're looking at. This is going to influence us over the next 24 hours. There's a frontal system sitting out to the west. It's going to stay there. That ridge of high pressure is keeping things fairly dry. But we are going to get quite a lot of cloud as a result of it through this evening and overnight. So that's increasing from the west, stays mainly dry. And temperatures, with that increasing wind and the cloud, only falling to a minimum of around 8 to 10 Celsius. So it's a mild night, and it'll be a mild start to the day tomorrow. The cloud will break up through the day, so again, it's quite pleasant. We're looking at some decent spells of sunshine developing through the afternoon, more particularly, and that'll send temperatures up to highs of 15 Celsius in the south, so a touch higher than today. But that's going to be competing with a noticeable breeze again from that southwesterly direction. Now, as we head into tomorrow night, that's when we start to see a change occurring. We've got moisture air feeding up from the south and near continent, so we'll start to see more low cloud developing, some mist and some murk and some fog patches, which will influence into the start of Thursday. But again, a fairly mild night. So Thursday itself is going to be much duller. A dull day with some rain out of the thicker cloud, but just a little bit of drizzle. But otherwise, it should be dry. 15 to 16 Celsius, very mild indeed. And then those temperatures start to fall by the time we get to the weekend. But it's mainly dry with plenty of sunshine and a frosty night into Sunday.